Okay, I got 10 more packs of these. Circuit break. I didn't pull anything that good out of the last 12 I got. Let's hope I do better this time, because I'm sick of the nonsense. Let's see what we got. I have to use this tote thing because my table's out in the shed and it's raining and it's cold and I hate it. So better give me something good this time. The accumulator. So far, off to a bad start. Last time I did get 2 ultra rares in one pack though. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. Ooh. I got that last time. That is the secret rare I got last time. That is not the one I want. I gotta do better than that. Believe in the heart of the cards. Spiral double helix. Fantastic Stryborg. Nope. Nope. Nimble Beaver. Wow, that's cool. That's actually pretty good. Pretty cool. I used to play Nimble Mamongas way back when. Link Bumper. Fire King Avatar. Arvada. Or Arvata. Or Frank. 5 packs left. I need another secret rare that's not that stupid burial card. Oh my. Why do you do this to me? Number 41. Bagusa, the terribly tired taper. That makes all the sense in the world. Altergeist, Malusik. Is that a K? Yep. Two more packs. Come on. Give me something awesome. One more pack. I'm sure it will be terrible. And it was. Trap Globe. Stryborg. Well, there you see. There are cards that's worth money in this set. But shoot, How many is that? That's the whole box worth of cards that I bought in the last couple days. Nothing. Got the same secret rare twice, worth like $1 each or something like that. And I spent, what, 24 packs times $4. Wow, don't tell the wife how much I spent on cards, because that's crazy. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.